Ren Coco, if you didn't know. So today is the day before Thanksgiving, and I'm going to attempt something really big. I'm going to bake. And I usually bake, but I'm actually going to homemade bake everything. No mixes, no mix-ins, only just these hands and some supplies. So get ready for me on this journey. I'm gonna take you with me. So this is the outfit I just woke up in. It's just this regular gray sweater I got from Target and these gym shorts that are just really comfortable, so I just wore them now. And we're gonna transform in. Alright, here is the outfit review. I got this crop sweater cardigan from Nasty Gal, and I got these jeans from Kainon, and the belt is Steve Madden. Next time you see me, I'll probably be in the car, but here's a little reveal. I will show you a clip somewhere of how the makeup turned out. So I'll see you then. Guys, we made it. We're at the grocery store, and I'm so scared. Not even scared just because I'm here, but just like,
what if this doesn't go right?
you know, it's just so hard. So I didn't really get to film yesterday because I didn't end up prepping the dough. But today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving! I just need one. I just need one person.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Thank you, thank you. So right now I'm just about to eat breakfast with my family. And so I will show you guys everything. Here with my lovely sister, Kenesha.
Alright, are we ready to sit down?
Kenesha, you're not Kenesha anymore. You're Ken Coco.
Well, you have to have her last
Oh,
name.
you did napkin.
And your mom.
Yes, she did the napkin.
Your mama Coco. Open it.
Sorry.
Yay! Someone choose me. Okay, it's pie time with my sister. Say hi. Okay, so the recipe calls for 2.5 cups of flour. One. Okay, it's just the first ingredient. The workspace. Oh, yeah. back, and the apples killed me, but you saw how it went. And I just did this step off camera of combining them with cinnamon and this filling. I will link in the description the recipes I'm using, so you can follow along if you want to. So right now we're gonna go on to using the pie dough, and we're gonna go do that. Montage time again. Hey, what's up, you guys? So my two pies, because I ended up making two because I had a lot of dough and filling left, they're almost done in the oven, and I have to put the blueberry in next. And honestly, I'm just kind of tired right now, but I'm gonna have to go and get ready for, you know, the night, even though I'm not going anywhere. But it is what it is. Okay, I just finished getting ready. I know the lighting was like actually terrible in there, but hopefully you can get a good look. Mommy, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. But yeah, so sorry again about the lighting, but this is how it looks, and I'm just about to eat. Finally, haven't eaten since breakfast. I'm so excited. And thanks again for coming along this journey. I'm gonna stop touching my hair now. Okay, see you then. Just gonna, this clip is just for the highlight. It's just for the highlight. Just for the, oh.
The champ is here.
Here's your blueberry pie with vanilla ice cream.
Wow.
And here's your apple pie with vanilla ice cream.
Can I get a picture of this?
Yes, you can.